Let's get you the latest on the political showdown in Telangana ahead of the Hyderabad civic polls, which is happening in December. In a controversial tweet, the Telangana BJP chief and MP Bandi Sanjay Kumar has said that he suspects the TRS Chief Minister KCR is linked to terrorists due to his association with AIMIM. He added that agencies should watch KCR's movement. He also alleged that KCR only thinks about Muslims and forgets about Hindus. Yesterday, KCR said that he will contest all 150 seats for the Hyderabad polls on their own and not with the AIMIM. KCR's daughter, party MLC K. Kavita, also slammed the BJP, saying that they have nothing for Telangana and didn't contribute for Telangana during COVID and during the floods. The BJP, though, has said that the TRS is afraid of losing power in the state. This fresh face-off after the TRS lost in their bastion, Dubaka, during the by-poll, so the BJP won in that by-poll.
The last time he tried in 2018 and 2019, Telangana Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao's non-Congress, non-BJP federal front came to naught. KCR is hoping that his second attempt will be more fruitful. On Wednesday, KCR made a fresh pitch for an anti-BJP coalition of regional opposition parties. The Chief Minister announced that he would organize a conclave in Hyderabad in December to launch a front to take on what he termed the anti-people policies of Modi government.
త్వరలోనే భారతదేశ ప్రతిపక్షాల యొక్క కాంక్లేవ్ హైదరాబాద్లో నేనే పెట్టబోతా ఉన్నా 100%. విల్ ఇనిషియేట్ ఫైట్. హైదరాబాద్ డిక్లరేషన్ ఇచ్చి ఈ దేశంలో యుద్ధ శంఖాన్ని పూరించి గ్యారంటీగా ఎదుర్కొంటాం. కేసీఆర్ ఒకసారి యుద్ధానికి ఎత్తుకుంటే ఎట్లుంటుందో మీకు తెలుసు.
But many see a reason behind KCR's sudden call for an anti-BJP front. It comes days before crucial Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation polls on December 1. The civic polls are being seen as a litmus test for the ruling TRS, which faced a surprise, humiliating defeat at the hands of BJP in the recent Dubaka by-polls. The BJP says KCR's insecurities are showing up as he realizes he's on a shaky wicket. It called the Chief Minister's comments as dummy rounds. What could be unsettling, KCR is the seriousness with which the BJP is treating the municipal elections. The BJP has even dispatched party heavyweight Bhupendra Yadav to Hyderabad.
GHMC is something different. As you know, this is mini India. Almost all the people from different states are here. The GHMC election result will be something different. As nobody expected the Dubak result. The GHMC election result is also going to be in the same angle.
The BJP didn't do well in the last civic polls. Lok Sabha seats in Telangana. The future will tell if KCR is successful in bringing regional satraps together for an anti-Modi front. For now, it's quite clear that the BJP surge in Telangana is KCR's biggest worry. With Ashish Pandey in Hyderabad, Bureau Report, India Today.
Ashish Pandey now joining us live from Hyderabad with the latest on this political face-off. Ashish, it's getting downright ugly now, isn't it, between the TRS and the BJP with this attack by Bandi Sanjay Kumar, referring to KCR as a terrorist because of his association with the AIMIM. Any reaction that's coming from the TRS to this comment?
Yes, Akshita, you are absolutely right. The Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation polls are scheduled on December 1st. The counting is scheduled on December 4th. And before that, this is the crucial time. Bharatiya Janata Party has secured a stunning victory in Dubak by-poll, which was known as a strong hold of the ruling Telangana Rashtra Samiti. Now it has secured victory in Dubak by-polls, and now it is eyeing. The Saffron Party is eyeing to capture Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation, and these kind of attack on KCR, the Telangana Rashtra Samiti chief and chief minister, we are witnessing. On the very other hand, Telangana Rashtra Samiti also targeting BJP, and in fact, Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao has asked people that whether they want a burning Hyderabad or a peaceful Hyderabad. Chief Minister has said that in past 6 years of his tenure, not a single incident of communal riot or any violence took place under the city, and now BJP is trying to disturb the communal harmony of the city and of the state. That allegations are coming from ruling Telangana Rashtra Samiti. On the very other hand, BJP is targeting KCR's friendship with Asaduddin Owaisi, the Hyderabad MP, the party president of MIM.
All right, Ashish, thank you for getting us those latest updates.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.